Hi guys, it's me, so with Kinsmade and Polish It Off, and I have this little skirt that I wanted to resell, and I ran into a little snag. Right down here, you could see there's how it's double stitched here and then single stitched right here. There's just a little length of about 1.5 inches that doesn't have any stitching. I think I'm just going to disclose this, unless I get out my machine and start doing some mending. It would be a very simple mending job with my machine, but I probably would just disclose that. But then I noticed up here toward the top there is a little tiny belt loop, so there is a missing belt. There we go. Hopefully I can see that a little bit better. Yeah, right there, little missing belt loop. What my fix is going to be is I'm going to try to use one or both of these ribbons, possibly to make them interchangeable, and do a little belt so that it can tie. I think the black will look really pretty. The other one actually looks better in person than you're seeing on the camera, because this is very flesh toned, but it has kind of a, where it looks rosy on camera, it's actually a little more gold. So I think it will look pretty with this kind of sunflowery kind of gold. That's not metallic. Anyway, I just got these at the Dollar Tree, and I'll just cut a length, and I will melt the edges down using either a lighter, as I've seen some people do, and what I will do is I will use the burner on my stove, and I will just melt the ends and tie that on, and I will have a little finished looking belt for an otherwise defective little skirt. So if you love the skirt and you want to get your hands on it, I would look for this on Poshmark in the days to come.